Number 1. 4x squared plus 11x minus 20 equals 0. So, substitute equation to quadratic formula. So, quadratic formula, x equals negative 11 positive negative square root of 11 squared minus 4 AC. So, A is also 4 and C is negative 20. And over 2A is equals 4. So, that. So, solve negative 11 positive negative square root of 11 times 11 121 plus wait yes so negative 4 times 4 negative 20 positive 320 so over 2 times 4 8 8 so equals negative 11 positive negative 121 plus 320 equals to 441 over 8 square root. So x equals negative 11 positive negative 21 over 8 equals to and then x sub 1 is equals x sub 1 equals negative 11 plus 21 over 8 equals to 5 over 4. X sub 2 equals negative 11 minus 21 over 8. X sub 2 is equals to negative 4. Number 1. Number 2. X squared minus 5x minus 24 equals 0. So, use quadratic formula. Quadratic formula, x equals negative minus negative 5 positive negative negative 5 squared minus 4 a what's a x imagine there's 1 over here that is hidden, so that's 1 and that negative 24 square root over 2 a what's a that 1. So solve this. X equals that minus negative 5, so it would become positive negative square root of negative 5 times negative 5 is equals to positive 25 because negative times negative is equals to positive. And then this 4 times 1 for negative 4 times 1 equals to still negative 4 times negative 24 is equals to positive 96 because negative times negative is positive. And that 2 times 1, obviously 2. So solve this. 5, put that there, positive, negative, square root of 5 plus 91 is equals to 121 over 2. So x equals 5 positive, negative, square root of 121 is 11 because 11 times 11, 121. So 11 there over 2, put it here. So x sub 1, so equals 5 plus 11 over 2 equals to 8. x sub x sub 2 is equals to 5 minus 11 over 2 equals to negative 3. 1 and number 2. Number 3. So x squared equals 3x plus 3. Rewrite the equation to standard form. So it would be x squared minus 3x minus 3 equals 0. Use quadratic equation. The quadratic equation x equals negative minus negative 3 plus the negative square root of negative 3 squared minus 4a. What's a here? 1 a. And what is c? C is negative 3. So 2a. A is 1. So right here. So x equals, it will turn positive because it's negative. So negative 3 times negative 3 is equals to 9. And 4 times 1, 4. Still negative 4. Negative times negative is positive. So negative 4 times negative 3 is negative 12, positive 12. So 2 times 1 equals 2. So x equals, bring this 3 down. So 9 plus 12 equals to 21 over 2. X equals, so 21. So this is x sub 1 equals 3 plus square root of 21 over 2. And the x sub 2 is equals to 3 minus square root of 21 over 2. Final answer. Number 4. So x squared plus 5 equals negative 5x. So rewrite to standard form. It will become x squared plus 5x plus 5 equals 0. So use quadratic formula in this. So it will become negative 5 plus negative square root of 5 squared minus 4 what's A, 1 what's C, 5, so over 2 and 2A what's A, 1, so now bring that down, positive negative square root of 5 times 5, 25, 4, negative 4 times 20, negative 4 times 5 plus negative 20 over 2, 2 times 1, 2, so x equals negative 5, positive negative square root of 5 over 2. Number 5. Number 5. So x squared equals negative x plus 1. Rewrite to standard form, so it will become x squared plus that's negative, so it will become positive, and that's positive, it will become negative, equals 0. So use quadratic formula, so that will be negative 1 positive negative square root of mm, square root of 1 squared minus 4 AC. A is 1 and C is negative 1, so over 2 times 1, so it would become that, so put negative 1 positive negative, 1 times 1 is still 1, negative 4 times 1 is still negative 4, and negative 4 times negative 1, negative times negative is positive, so it would become positive, so 1 plus 4 over 2 times 1, 2, so over that plus x negative 1 plus square root of 5, 1 plus 4, 5 over 2. Final answer. Number 6. 4x squared minus 1 equals negative 8x. Rewrite to standard form. So it would become 4x squared plus, because that's negative, plus 8x minus 1 equals 0. So use quadratic formula. Quadratic formula. So x equals negative 8 positive negative square root of 8 squared minus 4 AC. So A and C is negative 1 over 2A, 2 and 4. So x equals negative 8 positive negative 8 times 8, 64, 4, negative 4 times 4, times -1, so it would become positive, so positive 16. 2 times 4, 8. So x equals -8 positive negative square root of 80 over 8. X equals 8 positive negative, so 5 times 16, so it will be 16 times square root of 5 over 8. Square root of 16, 4. So x squared plus negative 4 square root of 5 over 8. So simplify this. Well, that's negative. Simplify this. So that, that. So it would become -2 positive negative. The 4 is gone, and square root of 5 over 2. Number 6. Number 7. So 4x squared plus 7x minus 15 equals 0. Quadratic. Use quadratic formula. So quadratic equation. So -7 positive negative 7 square -4. So a 4 c -15 over 2a a 4. So x equals -7 positive negative square root of 49 plus 240. So 7 49, and -4 times 4 times -15, because 15 is negative, so that positive. So 2 times 4, 8. X equals -7 positive negative square root of 49 plus 240, 289 over 8. X -7 positive negative square root of 289, yes, 17 over 8. So x sub 1 equals to -7 positive negative 17 over 8 equals to 5 over 4, and x sub 2 equals -7 minus 17 over 8 equals -3. No. Number 8. X squared plus 3x minus 10 equals 0. X equals -3 positive negative square root of 3 squared minus 4ay 1, c is negative 10 over 2 times 1 because a is 1. So x equals negative 3 positive negative square root of 9 plus 40 because 3 times 3 is equals to 9 and negative 4 times 1 is equals is still negative 4 times 10 times negative 10. So negative times negative is positive over 2 times 1 is still 2. So x equals negative 3 plus negative. So 9 plus 40 equals to 49 over 2. The square root of 49 is 7. So negative 3 plus negative 7 over 2. So x sub 1 equals negative 3 positive plus 7 over 2 equals to 2. X sub 2 equals negative 3 minus 7 over 2 equals to negative 5. Number 9. X squared equals x plus 3. So rewrite to standard form. It will become x squared minus, wait, no. Oh yeah. It would be minus because this is positive. So it will become negative minus x minus 3 equals 0. Use quadratic equation. X equals minus negative 1 positive negative square root of negative 1 squared minus 4ac. A is 1 and c is negative 3. So also over 2a. X equals 1 same negative square root of negative 1 times negative 1 is equals to 1 plus 12 because square root 4 negative 4 times 1 negative 4 times negative 3 equals positive 12 and 2 times 1 equals to 2. So add that and it would positive negative square root of 13 over 2. Answer. Number 10. 2x squared plus 23 equals 14x. Rewrite those standard form. So it would become 2x squared minus negative or minus 14x plus 23 equals 0. So use quadratic formula. X equals minus negative 14 positive negative square root of negative 14 squared minus 4a equals 12, a and then c 23 over 2a. What's a? 2. X equals 14 because that is the square because negative times negative, so it will be 14. Still negative square root of negative 14 times negative 14 is equals to positive 196. So negative 4 times 2 times 3, 1, negative 184 over 4 because 2 times 2 4. So x equals 14 positive negative square root of 12 over 4. Simplify this, so it will become 2 and 14 will become 7. So the final answer is x equals 7 positive negative square root of 12 over 2. That. Number 11. X squared equals 2x plus 48. Simply rewrite to standard form. So x squared minus 2x minus 48 equals 0. So quadratic minus negative times negative positive negative square root of negative 2 squared minus 4a 1c 48 over 2 1 x equals 2 positive negative square root of 4 plus 192. So 2 times 2 negative 2 times negative 2 equals negative 4. Negative 4 times 1 equals negative 4 times negative 48 equals 192 because positive times negative is positive. 2 times 1 2. So x equals 2 positive negative. So 4 plus 192 square root of 196. 4 plus 192 196 over 2. So x equals 2 positive negative. So ang square root of 196 is 14 over 2. So x sub 1 equals 2 positive negative. Wait, that's plus over 2 equals 8. So x sub 2 equals 2 minus 14 over 2 equals negative 6. So Number 12. 2x squared plus 39 equals negative 18. Rewrite the standard form. 2x squared plus 18x plus 39 equals 0. X equals this quadratic formula equation. Negative 18 negative 18 squared square root of 18 squared minus 4ac a 2c 39 over 2a. So x equals negative 18 positive negative. So 18 times 18, 324. And that's negative 312 over 4. X equals negative 18 instead negative square root of 12 minus that. So over 4. X minus 18 positive negative square root of 4 times square root of 3. Factor out. Factor that out. So over 4. X equals negative 18 positive negative square root of 4 is 2 square root of 3 over 2. So that 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 2 will become, it will be a 9, and this is 4, and it will become 2. So x equals negative 9 positive negative square root of 3 over 2. Number 13. 5x squared plus 3x plus 1 equals 0. X quadratic. X equals negative 3 percent negative square root of 3 squared minus 4 AC, so 5 and 1 over 2a, so a is 5. X equals negative 3 percent negative times 3, 9, negative 4 times 5, 28 times 1 is still 20, so negative 20 over 10. 2 times 5, 10. So x equals negative 3 positive negative 9, 9 minus 20 equals to 11. So over 10, because this is negative, so x is not a real number. Number 14. 5x squared plus the x equals negative 125. So divided by 5, so this will be 1, this will be 10, and this will be 25. So factor out 5, which is the GCF to each term. So it will become x squared plus 10x equals negative 25. Rewrite to standard form. So it will be x squared plus 10x plus 25 equals 0. Quadratic equation. X equals negative 10 positive negative square root of 10 squared minus 4 AC 1 and 25 over 2 and 1. So x equals to negative 10 positive negative square root of 10 times 10 100, and that's negative 100. So 100 minus 100 equals 0. So x equals negative 10 positive negative 0 over 2. So x equals negative 10 over 2 equal to negative 5.